Hey crypto family. So my last video I released on the current market overview, and now I'm going to go over some TA for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So for today we're looking at Bitcoin on the daily chart, and it's at $43,000. Now it's hovered around this level for a couple days, so it is acting as strong support right now, but you can see on the TA I do have a descending wedge here, which is a bullish pattern if it breaks to the upside. Now we can see the current trend line resistance is around that 43,700. So on our RSVP extractor, we saw that the moon signal is basically meaning RSI is oversold, the price and volume oscillators are oversold as well, and that gave us a nice little bounce from the 40,900 level. Now, if Bitcoin can't break this trend line here at 43,700, then we're going to be looking to retest this support level at about 41,000. Now, if it can't hold this support level and continues to go down, it's not the end of the world. We could still bounce off this trend line support here at about 38,000. And then from there, we can kind of do a little bounce out of this descending wedge and basically go to retest this high of 53,000. Okay, now you can see here that there is some resistance, some short-term resistance if we do draw a resistance line there at around that 46,000 level. So a lot of people are watching this 45 to 46,000. So it could act as some resistance. So possibly if Bitcoin breaks out, possibly hit this, bounce back off of that 41,000, and then continue upward to that $53,000 level. So again, a lot of oscillators were oversold on the daily. So possibly looking for us to bounce back down to retest this 41,000 and then break to the upside. But this trend line here at that 43.7 is what you want to watch, okay? It is long-term resistance all the way from the top November 9th. So definitely keep an eye on that if you are thinking of buying or selling. And then next major support is around $30,000. Hopefully we don't fall all the way down there. Next on Ethereum, we can see on the daily chart as well. So on this RSVP extractor, we did see a sell signal right near the top here at about 4,600, and we got RSI oversold buy signal here that did bounce nicely off this trend line support. Now you can see right now Ethereum is looking a lot more bearish than Bitcoin, okay? So we do have a trend line here acting as resistance as well as horizontal resistance at 3360. Now if Ethereum can break that, it's going to be very bullish, and then going to be looking for it to test this next trend line resistance, which should be around 3550. Okay, so right now Ethereum is not looking the best, expecting it to reject off here and possibly continue downward to test this next support at about 3,100. Okay, and then from there we could possibly bounce, and then now resistance would be around 3,200. So its next major support is still that 3,060 level. If it does continue to fall down, then looking for it to bounce off of this 2750 level, which would be an extremely good buy zone, and then hopefully break to the upside from there. But right now I'm just watching this trend line right here, this trend line and horizontal resistance, and kind of see where we go from there. But that is my current thought process on Ethereum. The next major resistance will be at around this $3,800 level if we can get above these two trend lines. So hopefully this helped you guys out. I know there's a lot of drawing and stuff going on, but it's kind of what I'm thinking right now is Bitcoin is just a little bit more bullish just because of this descending wedge pattern tends to be bullish. It had a lot of oversold oscillators. It's bouncing nicely. So again, that's what I'm looking for. Looking for the BTC dominance is actually bouncing as well. So looking for Bitcoin to overtake Ethereum here over the next few days. But again, we're gonna have to see what happens. And again, place your trades accordingly. Not financial advice, but just figure out how to help you all out. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you enjoy my Discord, where we talk about a lot of different altcoins, go ahead and join that. It's pinned in the comments as well in the description and on my Twitter. And please leave a comment if you have any questions. Until next time, thanks for watching.